Question 1. Which ancient wonder stood in the city of Babylon? Option A, Great Pyramid of Giza. Option B, Hanging Gardens. Option C, Statue of Zeus. Option D, Temple of Artemis. The correct answer is B. Hanging Gardens. Fun fact: the Hanging Gardens of Babylon were said to be an oasis of tiered greenery, though their existence is still debated by historians. Question 2. Which wonder was built as a tomb for an Egyptian pharaoh? Option A, Colossus of Rhodes. Option B, Great Pyramid of Giza. Option C, Lighthouse of Alexandria. Option D, Mausoleum at Halicarnassus. The correct answer is B. Great Pyramid of Giza. Fun fact: the Great Pyramid was built for Pharaoh Khufu over 4,500 years ago and is the only ancient wonder still standing. Question 3. The Colosseum is located in which city? Option A, Athens. Option B, Rome. Option C, Istanbul. Option D, Cairo. The correct answer is B. Rome. Fun fact: the Colosseum could hold up to 50,000 spectators for gladiator battles and performances. It even had elevators beneath the arena. Question 4. The Great Wall of China was primarily built to protect against invasions from which direction? Option A, north. Option B, east. Option C, south. Option D, west. The correct answer is A. North. Fun fact: the Great Wall, stretching over 13,000 miles, was built to guard China from Mongol invasions from the north. Question 5. Which wonder was lost for centuries beneath a jungle before being rediscovered? Option A, Petra. Option B, Machu Picchu. Option C, Chichen Itza. Option D, Angkor Wat. The correct answer is B. Machu Picchu. Fun fact: Machu Picchu, built by the Inca Empire in the 15th century, was hidden in the Andes until rediscovered in 1911 by explorer Hiram Bingham. Question 6. The Christ the Redeemer statue overlooks which city? Option A, Buenos Aires. Option B, Rio de Janeiro. Option C, Sao Paulo. Option D, Lima. The correct answer is B. Rio de Janeiro. Fun fact: the Christ the Redeemer statue stands 98 feet tall and took 9 years to complete. It's a global symbol of peace. Question 7. Petra, one of the new 7 wonders, is carved into what type of rock? Option A, granite. Option B, sandstone. Option C, limestone. Option D, marble. The correct answer is B. Sandstone. Fun fact: Petra's breathtaking rose-red temples were carved from sandstone cliffs by the Nabateans over 2000 years ago. Question 8. The Taj Mahal was built by Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of whom? Option A, his mother. Option B, his wife. Option C, his daughter. Option D, his mentor. The correct answer is B. His wife. Fun fact: the Taj Mahal was built as a mausoleum for Mumtaz Mahal, Shah Jahan's beloved wife. It took over 20 years to complete. Question 9. Which ancient city was buried by the eruption of Mount Vesuvius? Option A, Pompeii. Option B, Athens. Option C, Knossos. Option D, Corinth. The correct answer is A. Pompeii. Fun fact: when Mount Vesuvius erupted in 79 AD, Pompeii was buried under ash. perfectly preserving Roman life for centuries. Question 10. Which wonder was known as the City of Water due to its canals? Option A, Venice. Option B, Atlantis. Option C, Tenochtitlan. Option D, Alexandria. The correct answer is C, Tenochtitlan. Fun fact: the Aztec capital Tenochtitlan, modern-day Mexico City, was built on a lake and crisscrossed by canals. A real-life city of water.